doesn't pay to try. All the smart boys know why. It doesn't mean I didn't try. I just never know why. Feel so cold and I'm alone. 'Cause baby, you're not home. And when I'm home, big deal, I'm still alone. Feel so restless I am. Beat my head against the pole. Try to knock some sense down in my bones. And even though they don't show, the scars aren't so. And when they go, they let you know. Can't put your arm around some memory. You can't put your arms around the memory. You can't put your arms around the memory. So don't try. Don't try. All right, let's do Johnny Thunder's signature song, Can't Put Your Arms Around the Memory. It starts with this little D riff, D, and then you hammer onto the 3rd fret on the high E. Then you play another D, and then you pull off the high E finger on the 2nd fret. All together. Then we go D, and that's how we begin the verse. Doesn't pay to try. G. This is probably the hardest chord. B minor. All the smart boys know why. That repeats. D, G. B minor. D. And it just keeps going. There's 2 back-to-back verses at the beginning. And then when you go in, you finish the 2nd verse, you go G. The chorus begins on G. A, D. Can't put your arms around the memory. G, A, D. At the end, it just kind of holds on the D a little extra long. Don't try. So again, G, A, D, it just goes around in a circle for the chorus. And even at the end where it sounds like it's different, he's just holding on the G. Don't try. You're just a bastard kid. You got no name. 'Cause you're living with me. We're one and the same. Okay, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Bye.